think outside the box. I believe this is one of the nightmare of employees. Employer wants you to be innovative, but you as an employee are juggling with multiple changing roles and above all office politics. Maybe your organization offered you an innovation course, but I believe those who did the innovation course were more innovative than you. For me, when I explain innovation, innovation means challenge the assumptions. Once you understand the meaning of the problem, your job is not to find the solution, but actually it is to find the options. Design thinking, third phase ideation, requires you to brainstorm. Brainstorm without boundary, without constraints. This is where actually you map the outcomes of your product with the output. This is where you relate the multiple possibilities or impossibilities with your system. So, to practice how to perform brainstorming for unlimited options, join our Agile Project Management with Design Thinking course. Thank you.